guys, so I thought I would share this really fun unboxing with you. I am super excited about this. I have not opened it yet. I just cut it open right now. But as per the title of my video, this is my new planner for 2018. For those of you who have followed me, I'm still going to be using the Happy Planner for my Plan With Me series every Sunday. That won't be changing. The Happy Planner is really just the best planner for that kind of series that I enjoy doing. But this is going to be my new planner for 2018 for just planning my life, and I'm so excited about it. It's been so hard not to open this box today, but I really wanted to share it, my excitement, with you guys. Comes in this beautiful box. I'm just going to take it out of the box. Okay, so it comes in this absolute beautiful box. I've never gotten a planner before that came in such a beautiful box. And as you can see, it is the Day Designer Life Designed Planner. Not sure if any of you have ever used this planner. I recently saw it in a YouTube video that I was watching and I fell in love with it. So let's take a look at this one. Ooh, I absolutely love the cover of this box. This is so beautiful, so chic. And it has a little blurb about the Day Designer and how it was made in 2010. It says, the idea for the Day Designer was born in 2010. It grew from chaos, an overflowing email inbox, a hand-scribbled to-do list, a pile of meeting notes, and daunting schedule. Whether you're a working professional, a full-time mom, or a diligent student, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and pulled in a million directions. Day Designer is a simple and easy system created to help you find balance, focus, and productivity. We're on a mission to get you organized and on your way to living an intentional, meaningful, and well-designed life. I absolutely love that. And then look at the beautiful logo right there. Oh, I'm super excited. All right, I'm going to take it out of the box. Wow, it is very boxed up. So that box had another box inside of it. Oh, so you have this here. Just tells you what kind of planner. And you have a little tab here to open it. How lovely is that? I'm super excited. And then you just pull it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. So again, you have this. It really tells you about the planner itself. I'll have to read this later. And here it is, guys. Now, there wasn't a lot of different options to choose from. I think they only had like 2 or 3 designs that I saw. I did get this from Chapters. And I'm going to tell you, the Day Designer is quite expensive. So this retailed at Chapters, I believe it was like $75 or $79. So it was quite expensive. But I got it at 30% off. And I think that brought it down to somewhere in the 30s or $40. I can't remember exactly. I'm going to grab my receipt. Okay, well, it didn't show on the receipt, but it was around between $30 and $50 that it dropped the price, and then it was eligible for an additional 30% off of that, which is really the only reason I got it, because I did find it to be a bit of a costly planner. So this cost me $26, which I thought was very reasonable, especially from $75 or $80, which is quite high, and that's why I got it. They had a lot of really great deals going on at Chapters right now. I love how beautifully wrapped this is. So you have a plastic and another plastic. I will say they definitely wrap it really super good. All right, guys, so here it is, January 2018 Day Designer. They do also have ones that start in the summer and go to the end of the next year, and I went with the marble, and I really like the corners of it. Super pretty. You have a flap right here. Then you have your first page that talks about the date. You can put your name in it. So that's pretty cool. That's like very standard though. And then this talks about how to use the planner, which is really fantastic. It talks about your goals. One of the main reasons I went with this planner is because not only is it a planner, it is also a goal setting planner. So it does do a lot of deep goal searching and goal seeking to help you really align what your daily priorities are, what your life priorities are, what your 2018 goals are, and to really help to ensure that you're able to achieve those. And that is one of the main reasons, or actually I should say it is the main reason that I went with this planner. So then you have each of the calendar layouts here. Oh, and then we have the first month. So there you have your first month layout. I may still go ahead and decorate this, but I think, you know, I'm going to keep it really simple. I may add a little bit of washi, but I definitely won't do what I do with my happy planner, because I do want to have the ability to write a lot in this planner. And then here's where you have your day to day. So I'm going to take you through one day. I'm going to fold it and take you through just one day so you can see, because each day is going to be the exact same. Okay, so let's zoom in here. So you have the date in the corner. You have a really nice quote, and it is different on every page. So here it says, good health and good sense are two of life's greatest blessings. So very nice. Then it has your top 3 priorities, which I really liked. So this is for you to put in, what are the top 3 things I need to achieve today? If you're like me, I am a list writer. I can come up with 20 things that I need to achieve in a day, but this is really going to help me narrow that down and hopefully alleviate some of the stress of, you know, having to accomplish every single thing in one day. So this is to really narrow down what are the top 3 things that you want to get done. You write it right there. What's due? How much money do you want to spend today, if any? What are you doing for dinner? And what do you absolutely not want to forget? Then you have the section here. So again, what are the things that I really like about this planner? I, one, love how chic it is. I'm all about the chic. So I love that. I love how it just overall looks. I did get the smaller version. So if you use the Happy Planner, incomparable to the Happy Planner, this would be the size of the medium planner. So Happy Planner has large, which is the teacher size, the medium size, which is what I use for my Plan With Me videos, and then they have a mini version. So this is comparable to the medium sized Happy Planner. They also sell this in the teacher size as well. So if you do want a larger planner, they have that as well. So one, I just love how chic it is. Two, I love the gratitude section. And 3, I love the top 3 goals for the day.